Hi everyone, in this video, we are going to discuss SPP 2025 paper 2. So for the first question, my first question is about Form 4 chapter 8, which is vectors. So for paper 2, usually one question from this chapter will come up, and I personally would suggest you to pay attention on this chapter. Okay, let's see what's the question. The diagram shows a trapezium SPQR. So you have to find out where is the SPQR. And we know that T lies on the line P. So point T lies on the straight line P. Next, the next thing is we fill in all this information, 把这些资料全部放进去我们的图画。Okay, so I basically have already prepared. So let's see. We are given SR equals to 10B. SR equals to 10B. 再来 we have SP equals to 8A. Okay, C equals to 8A. 然后我们有 then we have SR to PQ is equals to 2 to 1. SR, this straight line, to PQ is ratio 2 to ratio 1. When the ratio is 2, the vector is 10B. When the ratio is 1, from here to here, I divide by 2. From here to here, I divide by 2 as well. That is why with the PQ, my PQ vector is equals to 5B. The fourth information that we are given is PT to PR is 1 to 3. PT to PR is 1 to 3. PT ratio is 1. PR, the whole line, the ratio is 3. Okay? Whole line ratio is 3. Sorry. Okay, this is 1. I will have a ratio 2 here. Now, you see, when I write ratio, I circle it up because I do not want to confuse myself. Okay? I want to know that, okay, for ratio, I circle it up. For vectors, I don't set. I circle it so that when I do calculation, no mistakes will be made. Okay, 我才不会犯错。好了，把 A express as Q， 我要从 S 走去 Q，S 走去 Q。This is what I want. Triangle law. 你要想办法走咯。So obviously I have S to P, P to Q. 我的 arrow 已经画好给我了。So 我的 answer S to P, P to Q. And my dear friend, 记得 this line is actually important because sometimes the 1 mark will be given on this line. Okay? 有时候它会给这个1分。After that, you have to, one line will be given on this, and this will be the answer. Okay? Next, 第二个 if S to T is equals to HSQ, ST is equals to HSQ, 的意思就是说 this straight line, these 3 points lies on the same straight line, 它们是 collinear, 或者我们会用那个字 parallel. So you just substitute the value inside. What is your H? And then your SQ from part A, you get the 1. After that, express ST in terms of H, A, and D. So B part 1 we settle. Part B, find the value of H. If ST and Q collinear, 刚才我就跟你说过了。Okay, they lies on the same straight line, 在同一条线上。所以我们看回我们的图画 ，Can we find ST? Yes, we can. 我们可以走 S to P, P to T. But teacher, I do not know PT. I know. PT equals to ratio 1 over the whole line 3 of PR. Okay? PT is ratio 1 over 整行 ratio 3 PR. Teacher, I don't know PR. My dear friend, you can find PR. How to find PR? PR 这一条线 I go P to S, S to R, P to S 的 balik, the direction, so I have to add 1 negative at the front. So I have SP plus PT, so 1 over 3, P to S, S to F. So P to S terbalik, I got negative 8A plus 10B, I get the answer. So now you see B part 1. B part 1, I got ST equals to this. B part 2, I got ST equals to this. ST and ST, same. 当它一样的时候 do comparison. Okay, do comparison. You just compare the coefficient equals to the coefficient, you get your value of H. Or if you do not want to, you can compare 这个 5H equals to 10/3, you will get the same answer also. Okay, so for paper 2, question for vectors is not difficult, which I will suggest you to do this. Alright, so that's all for this video, and I will see you in video for question number 2.